Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla up $5.56, that's 1.96%. Post-market, we are up by 18 cents additionally. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. Yes, indeed. Indeed, we are bouncing on the support. We thought we were going to right here, but yes, this is really happening. We are now back to this downward resistance right here. This is our downward channel. The stock should bounce and should ping-pong between the support and resistance into a channel, and now we are ping-ponging back up to that resistance. Let's just look at how perfectly we are aligned with this resistance. I'm repeating myself all the time, but it never ceases to amaze me how perfect the stock is following those lines, or how great those lines are, because it's the stock that decides where those lines are. Anyway, so we are right back there. So the big question is, are we going to cross it or not? I don't know, and I don't need to know. Let me go on the 1 hour chart before I say something else. So on the 1 hour chart, so our little channel is just continuing. Look at how perfect this is too. This was the first candle of the day right here. So we dipped a little bit below our support at 280.55, but went strongly here. Went to this other resistance at 285.30, 285.39, let's say. Then crossed it, stayed above it, then a little bit of a pullback, but then boom, we finished strong. So on the 1 hour chart, which is a little bit more precise, we have it crossed here. So we have crossed this resistance. So maybe this is going to trickle up to the daily chart tomorrow. Then stochastic wise at 99 on the 1 hour chart, super strong. MACD is great, everything's great. Everything's great on the 1 hour chart. Coming back to the daily chart, let's look at our indicators right here. Stochastic at 48. Stochastic at 48, it's not quite at 60, but getting very close. We still have one line of MACD that's negative and the other one is positive. So this is why we have a green and a red thumb down. We gained back, I thought I had changed it. We gained back RSI, so that's super nice to see. We gained back RSI and we also gained back DMI. So that's something very interesting, because DMI usually is a very laggard indicator. It takes time to get it, and we oftentimes get stochastic before and then DMI afterwards, but here we've got this around. So everything looks pretty good on the indicators, and these indicators are laggard indicators. We just have to keep this in mind, but this is showing us that this move here might be yielding something interesting. It's just stochastic that we don't have, and it would be great to get it. So maybe tomorrow, if we cross this downward resistance right here, we might get stochastic over 60, and then following our strategy, this would become a buy on the daily chart. This would become a buy. And the overall pattern that we are in with Tesla is a bullish trend since mid of July. Let's say we are into a bullish trend. The stock went up quite fast and then paused a little bit and then paused a little bit bigger. And now we are bouncing nicely here. If we break this downward resistance, I'm repeating myself, if we break this tomorrow with a good stochastic, we should be go to do another round. Another ping to the pong. So this could mean getting as high as 340 something. And then we also are into this decreasing resistance, and then we are going to have to check what is going to happen. This is what Tesla can do. Stay tuned, because in my next video that I'm going to do in the next few minutes, we are going to look at the VIX, the Dow Jones, S&P 500 and NASDAQ, and see how they can impact what we think could be happening with Tesla. So join me there, it's free. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.